Videndum design, manufacture and supply high-performance products across 3 core industries: cine, broadcast and photography markets. Health and safety came onto Halo predominantly for us to try and drive up our health and safety culture across the different factories, but also to improve our reporting. It was previously on a SharePoint site where it was very difficult to get the KPIs and the metrics required that we have to utilise, especially as we are a PLC and we report them externally.
We also have our health and safety team on there who use it to log observations and health and safety incidents when there's accidents. And there's a whole workflow where users are notified when something happened at different stages.
But it was mainly around user adoption. So by implementing Halo, it was much easier, especially for our factory users, to start logging near misses or even health and safety incidents themselves. That then meant we can then actually start putting operational improvements in place to resolve underlying health and safety issues across the group. It has been incredibly useful to Halo to have those health and safety metrics. As I say, we've identified several key areas where we can improve. Our near-miss ratio has been going up, which is the metric that our health and safety department want to see.